Hello ladies and gents, this is Matt from Real Car Sales based in Cwmtillery, South Wales, NP131LZ. And here we've got this gorgeous 2016 Range Rover Sport Autobiography. It is the 3-litre diesel V6 engine, but this isn't just any Autobiography. It's had almost £20,000 spent on it. And I'll just run through the immense spec with you now. It's being meticulously looked after. It is the boss's vehicle, as you can see with the plate Rio Boss. Obviously that doesn't come with the car. Lovely looking plate though. So we've got the upgraded grille, we have the bonnet scoop, and the vents have all been blacked out. And then this is a complete new front bumper with lower splitter. Again, this kit is all from the guys up north, a company called FDL, so it's a fully bespoke kit. We have the huge brand new Velocity alloy wheels. Literally all this kit and the wheels was put on probably about 200 miles ago, so it is brand new. We've got the new and improved side steps. We have the matte black mirrors. All the wheels are in excellent condition. And as we move around, we've got the, first of all, we've got the lower spoiler on there, and then also the top roof spoiler. And as you can hear, it's got an incredible, the immense Akroppvic exhaust system. Again, that was from the guys from FDL, and as you can probably hear, it doesn't sound like the typical diesel. It's had a full Thor system installed by the guys at Long Life. So basically you have an app on your phone, you can go onto the phone and change the sound of the car, so it can be, you know, whether you want a Lamborghini, a Jaguar, an X5M. There's so many different ones on there, and a lot of them sound very good. I've heard a few different systems and they sound quite artificial, but you can't tell. It sounds incredible. So moving to the interior, we got the two-tone red and black trim throughout, and we've got some more tasty upgrades as well. So notice on the steering wheel, these buttons, these have been changed from buttons to screens, so you can alter all your settings on there. Can I stop that binging sound? No, I can't. So yeah, it's got the these have been all upgraded. And then if we move down, we've got the screen here. Usually obviously all this would control all of your climate and seats, but now you can do it on a screen, so you can go and change all of your settings. I think that is incredible. Obviously you've got the standard screen up there for your sat nav, and you know, all your Bluetooth hands-free and all that sort of thing, you know, so all that's there as normal. And inside and out is in excellent condition. Like I said, the outside is pretty much brand new. It's had a full detail from the valeters here at Rio as well, so inside and out looks stunning. So there's been over 17,000 spent on the kit, wheels and exhaust, and plus much more as well over the years. We do still also have the original wheels, kit, so everything that came off it, we still have that all boxed up, so we could possibly do a deal on that to come with it. Obviously it wouldn't be included in the cost, but we can sort something out. So any further inquiries on this, you can give us a call 01495 848 134 and we can arrange a viewing. Viewings on this will be by appointment only, because it is the boss's personal vehicle, so it is used, so it will be appointment only. Thanks for watching.